Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
So what's your name real quick? What's in here before the demo?
Blue Davis.
Blue Davis.
Blue
Okay.
Davis, yep.
All right.
Yep, I got 299 18s in here from DD on 2 Salt 8Ks.
Okay.
And then the doors, I can't memorize what they're on.
It's all right. Just all PRV and what are the brands?
PRV and DD audio.
Okay.
And then Sundown Salt 8Ks for the subs.
You built this?
No, I did not build it. I bought it from Cole Morris is the builder.
Okay. Yeah.
Cole Morris.
Nice.
Down in Tennessee.
How big is the box?
I am not sure. I've had it open and everything. I took this, but I'm not exactly sure on the specs.
Okay, don't worry about
it's
it.
tuned to 32 hertz.
32. Okay.
32.
Any SPL tests?
It does a 160.1, I think, on 44.
Wow.
On 44.
Okay.
It does a 160. Yep.
You happy with it?
Oh yeah, I'm very happy with
You're
it.
able to demo doors closed and open, and it doesn't.
Oh, I
load?
just do whatever. Yeah, it's not super windy, but it's just a little bit of SPL, a little bit of SQ. You know, it's kind of in between.
Yes, sir.
Watch your videos all the time.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for watching. This is solid too.
Oh yeah, for sure. The only way this moves is if I'm playing like 25 hertz or so, but
Yeah.
it doesn't do super good at 25.
So that was young Dolph. What's
Yeah.
man?
Yeah, I just got this the other day from DJ Dirty Bass.
Sweet. Oh yeah, that was good.
And last year I had one of these go out. I went down to the guy that built it. We recoded both of them, put them back in. They're doing pretty good. I wanted to put a fourth in here, but I think it might be too heavy because I drive this car.
Oh wow, yeah, a lot of
I mean,
weight.
it's a little dirty. I'm from West Virginia.
Okay.
So I came down through the mountains. All
Yes,
that.
sir.
But I think
Awesome.
it might be too heavy for it.
Yeah. That'd be a lot of work. It's already built pretty good.
Oh,
You'd still use the actual, if you went to fourth order, you would have to
I
rebuild?
would say probably scoot it back because there's still a lot of room in the back.
Okay, yeah,
know
it
what I
did.
mean?
Yeah, you have room.
There's still a little room back there, which it looks like it's all taken up, but no, there's.
Yeah.
The only thing is the batteries where they're at. You'd have to put them in a different spot, I would say.
Yeah.
Because if you move that back,
Yes, sir.
they're gonna be. You can't access them.
What vehicle is this?
A Subaru Impreza 2013.
2013.
What fucking doors locked?
The doors won't come out. I'm locked in.
There you go. I got you.
Maybe I just got to know how to pull it.
No,
There you go. I got it.
No, I can't unlock it if it's already started.
Really? Oh, okay. So,
Yeah, Cole Morris did a fantastic job.
yeah, you did a good job. Can I open this to look real quick?
Yeah, you can pull it up if you want to.
I think that's as far as it'll go.
Yeah. I wish it went up more.
Nice. Looks really
Those
good.
DDs do amazing work.
What's the RMS on these? You know?
I think 2,500 or 3,000.
This is the SCs. Yeah.
Yeah, supercharged. Yep. They do.
Very nice.
I don't know how the one on this side though. Like I said, when I had to work on them, the coil like shifted or something. It started making a bad noise.
Oh man.
And then I put a patch on it and I burnt the other one out.
Yeah. And the amplifiers are strapped or gain matched?
They're gain matched.
Gain matched. Okay.
Gain matched, yep. They
Did really good. Thank you for watching my videos.
Oh yeah, well, I'm looking forward to seeing this on there.
Oh yeah, they'll love it.
Really matter. I still forgive. DD, one life. One life.
Okay, spent 20. I'm in. A little bitch too bossy. Okay, spent 20. I'm in. A little bitch too bossy. Nigga, what's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal?
Man,
I'm in.
that's pretty punchy.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Squeezing you a
I watch
lot.
your videos all the
Oh,
time.
you do?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks for watching. This is solid too.
Oh yeah, for sure. The only way this moves is if I'm playing like 25 hertz or so, but
Yeah.
it doesn't do super good at 25.
So that was young Dolph.
Yeah.
Man. Did really good.
Oh, yeah,
Definitely likes the high notes. I appreciate the
yeah.
demo. You have a good day, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
Thank you for watching my videos.
Oh yeah, well, I'm looking forward to seeing this on there.
Oh yeah, they'll love it.